This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt.herrick. Honey, stop the car, this one is it. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. Open floor plan, large fully fenced-in yard. Some upgrades include oversized deck, new solid surface flooring on entire first floor, updated kitchen and new windows. Pride of ownership is visible here at your new home. Come see this highly sought-after area. Near interstates, entertainment, schools, beaches and bases. Call today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.herrick at 757-639-8725.